Hey, this is Marcos from cvpools.com. Just wanted to show you a fuse board repair. This was the old fuse board. As you can see, it has 4 fuses. And you can tell that this fuse has got an issue, right? I mean, it's black. The other ones are clear. So that's the first thing that we noticed. We had a BD uh, code on the screen of the heater. And so we went to the power board and this fuse was busted. So we tested it for continuity, pulled it out, tested it for continuity, and it was bad. I went to go look for that fuse. Well, that size fuse is kind of hard to find even on the internet. So instead of all that, I just bought another board. Now what I want you to do is take note of what there's 4 fuses here. On the one I'm going to show you that I replaced it with, this fuse is missing. So it's really important to take the model number of the heater into consideration, because midstream they'll develop a different board or a different technology, insert it, and you have no idea. But anyway, there's that board, and here's the newer board. Let's see if we can get this in here. See how there's only 3 in there? There's only 3 fuses, and then there's a square right underneath my finger right there where it just has a note. It says incorrect voltage selection will cause fuse to blow. All the inserts are correct and all the other jacks are correct. Once we plug that in, we got a second error code, but I'll leave that for the subsequent video.